Students, we are learning today simplification chapter. This is very important for class 4, class 5, class 6 and also class 7. Students who are preparing for Navodaya Sainik exams, it is very important chapter for them because this chapter is very simple. If you learn this chapter, this will also help you in your next year, that is class 6 and class 7. There also it will help you. In simplification, we have one standard rule, that is Bodemas. Which is the rule? That is Bodemas rule. Okay. Now what Bodemas says, first we have bar bracket. Whenever in any problem, if on any equation, if for example, can you see a small line here?
Yes, sir.
So this is called bar bracket. Okay. In case whenever you see such bar bracket or vernaculum, so it means that we have to solve that first.
Yes, sir.
In the entire Bodemas, in the simplification, what happens? We need to follow the rules. Which problem we have to solve? In the given equation, either we have to add first or multiply first. What has to be done? So this rule says, first says you need to solve the bar brackets. Then after that we have brackets in the equation. So we have to solve the brackets. So whatever content is there, whatever numbers are there, if it is there in bracket, we have to solve that first. Okay, we have to solve that first. If there are no bracket, after solving bracket, the bracket will go away. Okay, you don't need to write bracket again once you solve it. Okay, so then we will follow, that is division. So in the problem we have to search where there is a division, that we have to solve. And after that we have to multiply, and then we need to add. At last we will go for subtraction. Okay, we have some examples here. We have some examples. All right, in this problem now you can see we have all the brackets here. So let us learn how to solve this equation. Okay, so going further, first what we have to observe? Yeah, we will look at the rule whether if we have vernaculum or bar bracket. Yes, we have bar bracket. So it means first we have to solve this. 4 minus 2. Okay, now what is this? 4 minus 2. So what will be the answer? 2. Then write all others as usual. Okay, divided by 2. Right? So now this will go away. That bar bracket, that is vernaculum, will go away. Only this is remaining. Now we have to solve this circle bracket now. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So when we solve this circle bracket, 1.5. Now the bracket will go away. Now only the flower bracket will be remaining here. Can you see? Here multiplication is there, 2 is there. So now all other things we will write as it is. Okay. Here 2 minus 2 is there. Okay. Instead of what we should write?
Multiplication.
Yeah, we should remove this and we should make this as multiplication. All others we will write very simply. Okay. 16 plus 18. Now only flower bracket is remaining. Now we will solve this.
3.0.
So what will be the answer now? When we multiply 2 into 1.5, it is very simple. If I show you how to multiply this, write down as 15 into 2, 30. So यहाँ पे देखना था point के बाद में क्या है? Only one digit है. After here, see you can check only after decimal only one digit is there. So after one digit you can place a point. So our answer will be how much? So you can just write 3.0. Even if you don't write 0, it's okay. So our answer will be 3. So now we have solved our flower bracket. So now what is remaining here?
Square bracket.
Square bracket is remaining. So right. So if we solve, what will be our answer? 5. So even this bracket is gone now. यहाँ पे 2 plus 3 5 हो गया. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं तो मल्टीपल डालिए. यहाँ पे 2 minus 2. ठीक है. यहाँ पे ऑफ डाले थे, बराबर है. इधर ऑफ था, करेक्ट. So here what we should do, this 4 into इसके साथ मल्टीपल करना है 8. 4 2 ज़ा 8. तो पहले हमें यहाँ पे आ गया 8. ठीक है, 8 आ गया. -2 into 5 है वहाँ पे. कैट ईयर यहाँ पे इसको गौर से ऑब्जर्व करो. ऑफ है ना यहाँ पे. कैन यू सी? 16 डिवाइड बाय 4 ऑफ 2. 4 ऑफ 2 मतलब इसको इन दोनों को पहले मल्टीपल कर लेना है. 4 into 2 दैट इज 8. और इसको सॉल्व करने के बाद इस इक्वेशन को हमने एज इट इज लिख चुका है. क्लियर बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स? हाँ 16 प्लस 18 ऑल करेक्ट, यहाँ तक करेक्ट है। अब क्या करना है, डिवीजन करना है इन दोनों को। वी हैव टू डिवाइड दिस, विल बी आंसर 2। 18 प्लस को एज इट इज लिखो एंड माइनस 2 इंटू 5 को भी हम एज इट इज लिखेंगे। आफ्टर डिवीजन वी नीड टू गो फॉर मल्टीप्लीकेशन, सो मल्टीप्लीकेशन करेंगे, ठीक है। कितना 2 5 ज़ा 10। इक्वेशन एज इट इज लिख लो पहले, रिमेनिंग विल बी एज इट इज। Next, as per our rule that it says add the numbers. We will add the number. How much it is? 20 minus 10. 20 minus 10. So here we got our answer. In 20, if we subtract 10, then our answer will be 10. So ऐसे equations होते हैं. So first हमेशा यहाँ पे जो भी whatever example they are given, we will have to solve it first. Only then it will be very easy for us. Now we will go for problems. Okay. So now you guys can look at here. Okay, is it visible to all? Yes, sir. Yeah, problem number 1. What it says, look at this. What is the value of expression? What are the numbers? So here we have all addition. We just have to add all the numbers. I think all of you know addition. First कितना है बोलो, let us start.
1.
So now shall we solve this?
Yes,
1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1.
4.
Here also.
4.
Here.
2. 1.
Our answer will be 1 2 4 4. Do we have the answer?
3.
D will be our answer, right? So next problem, we'll go for the next problem. Okay, so now we'll go for the next problem, that is 9732 minus 9732 minus 6212 minus 3121. Okay, so let us write down. We have to subtract. You can make it simple. First इन दोनों को देखो, यहाँ पे जो numbers है देखो क्या है, what are the numbers, tell me. फर्स्ट इन दोनों को आप माइनस कर लो, ऐड कर लो। फर्स्ट इन दोनों को आप ऐड कर लो, बिकॉज हमेशा आप चेक करो माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस। इन दोनों को पहले प्लस कर लो, उसके बाद में इसमें माइनस करो, और आंसर विल बी लाइक 9 3 3 3, राइट? इज इट राइट? यस सर। नाउ 9732 राइट एज इट इज, नॉट डिडक्ट इट। नाउ यू डिडक्ट द नंबर। चलो 9732 माइनस 9333, 3 में से नहीं जाएगा, इसको 2 बना के 12 में से 3 गया तो 12 में से 3 गया तो 9, 2 में से नहीं जाएगा, फिर से 6, 12 में से 3 गया तो 9, 6 में से 3 गया तो राइट, करेक्ट। When we subtract these two numbers, our answer will be 399, right? 399. So here the option will be A will be our right answer.